Our virtual tour will begin from downtown Phoenix, with the first stop being just to the west of town in the Gila Bend Mountains. The mountains lie to the north of the town of Gila Bend and are a prime example of the wide open desert that exists throughout the southern half of the state. The 4th of July Butte lies within the northern section of the mountains and is known for its red, white, and blue chalcedony agates. Some of the largest agate beds known occur throughout the area. Some examples here of some of the brightly colored chalcedonies, as well as some colorful jaspers that occur throughout the area. Off in the distance, just to the west, is Saddle Mountain, near the small town of Tonopah, which hosts a special variety of chalcedony, which ranges from a clear to a fiery red to orange color, and also occurring on and around the mountain are large clusters of clear quartz crystals. The next stop along the tour is the Hieroglyphic Mountains, which lie just to the northwest of the Phoenix area. An almost unlimited variety of gems and minerals are known to occur in and around these mountains. Some examples here of some brightly colored chalcedonies, as well as some opal, occurring in the western and northern sections of the Lake Pleasant region. And here are some examples of the metamorphic gemstone known as garnet, occurring in the southeastern flanks of the mountain range. And these stones, these gems, are widely used in different types of jewelry. Some tourmaline and epidote crystals and other exotic silicates can also be found throughout the area. Castle Hot Springs lies just to the north of the Lake Pleasant area and hosts a very special variety of quartz chalcedony known as fire agate. Fire agate is a deep red colored chalcedony with layers of iron oxide within the stone. And it is these layers that give it the highly acclaimed, brightly colored, fireball-like effect. The next stop along the tour is Diamond Point, which lies in the hills to the east of the town of Payson. The Mogollon Rim lies just to the north of the Payson area and is the result of a time when the state of Arizona was literally broken in half, roughly about 20 million years ago, and leaving behind what appears to be a cross-section of the Earth's crust. The breakup of the lands to the south of the rim resulted in major volcanic activity, which caused the formation of most of the different gems and minerals that occur in the southern half of the state. The Arizona diamond is a special variety of quartz crystal which has what is called a double termination, with the crystals, especially the smaller ones, mimicking real natural diamonds. These crystals form inside pockets of solid limestone over millions of years, and eventually being weathered out through erosion over the eons, and then left lying loose and on the ground in wide areas in the hills east of the town of Payson. The next stop along the tour is Sunset Point, which is located just to the east of Black Canyon City, and hosts a wide variety of chalcedony and different types of quartz crystal geodes. The final stop of the tour is in the hills surrounding the city of Phoenix. These hills contain gold and silver and copper, and also a wide variety of very fine copper minerals and gems. And here are some examples of gold and copper ores occurring in and around the Phoenix South Mountains. And here are some malachite crystals, which are a type of copper ore from the same area. And here is some chrysocolla, a very gemmy type of copper silicate, and this one with some veins of silver inside.